KCTV, Lawan Rashipi Daka Frank Yamaha, the Maxi Sports Scooter Arox 155. Ringkat Bakanet Foodish, Ordar Mapi, Ninwan Ramani, Hakir Dobying Jompi.
Ka United Democratic Party kalapan bana arngut ki kertong narilom garo ki ban Ïakhun haga election MLA arajar arpulai. Ki arngut ki kertong ki baga UDP kalapan bana ki dei ka Dr. Pynïeng Sangma na North Tura but u John Leslie Sangma na South Tura constituency. Ka constituency bami ikhmat u menteri rang baga jelau Conrad ke Sangma. U John Leslie u dei u MLA Barim ka South Tura constituency.
January 2023, the State Election Committee again sat to discuss about the selection of candidates from different constituencies. And today we are announcing the name of 2 candidates from Garo Hills. As you may be knowing, that the first list of candidates announced earlier, that was on the 22nd of November 2022. We have brought out the list of 32 candidates from the UDP. In fact, we were the first party to make the announcement for the list of candidates to contest in the 2023 Assembly elections. Today, for the second time, the State Election Committee has sat, and today we have approved 2 more candidates from West Garo Hills. 2 very prominent faces from West Garo Hills. One is former MLA and former MDC, Mr. John Leslie Sangma, who will be contesting from 51 South Tura. And then another name is Dr. Pynïeng Sangma. She's a member of the UDP. She'll be contesting from 50 North Tura. Earlier, she had also contested as an independent in the Assembly elections 2018. And she also contested in the District Council elections in the year 2019 from Tura. So we have these 2 names whom the State Election Committee has selected today. We have also a number of other names from different constituencies of Garo Hills and also from Khasi Hill. But we will have to wait for the announcement of these of these aspirants from the different constituencies. So without further ado, I would like to call upon our respected President, Shri Medpat Lingdo, to please do the honor and to felicitate these 2 candidates who will be contesting from South Tura and North Tura constituency. So first of all, I would like to call Mr. John Leslie Sangma from 51 South Tura.
Thank you.
So in 2019, we wish you all the best. Dr. Pynïeng, John Leslie Sangma. So these are the 2 candidates.
It's really a very great pleasure for me to address this gathering this afternoon. That the State Election Committee sat and decided to field one of the ex-MLA from South Tura constituency, Mr. John Leslie Sangma. We are also very glad to inform you, as announced by the General Secretary, to have with us once again Dr. Pynïeng Sangma, who was our candidate in the last MDC election from Tura constituency. We are fielding Dr. Pynïeng Sangma as our candidate from the North Tura constituency. Friends, I would like to tell all of you here that as a party, this upcoming election, we could see that the people of the state looks up to us as the biggest regional party in the state. And we are pleased to have with us altogether 34 candidates whom we have already finalized. In a very short span of time, we will again come out with another list of candidates, out of which 5 of them are the sitting legislators of this present house, and with few other more candidates from other constituencies also. This shows that the people of the state, as I have said, are looking for UDP to address the issues and concerns, the matters related to the welfare of the state. And we stand committed that we will try our level best that we deliver those expectations of the people of the state when we have been given the mandate in this upcoming election. We are very confident and we are working very hard to see that in each and every nooks and corners of the state, in each and every nooks and corners of the constituencies, of each and every constituencies, we will try to reach to all of them, to create the awareness among the electorates, to ensure that this time they make no mistake and be with the UDP in this upcoming election. Friends, I would like to thank both the candidates whom we have announced today, John Leslie Sangma and Dr. Pynïeng Sangma. And we wish them all the very best in this upcoming election. We will stand beside them and give them support in whatever way we could to ensure that they sail smoothly in this upcoming election. So with these few words, I thank each and every one of you who are present in this afternoon and wish you a great day ahead. Thank you very much and God bless you. third list of candidates for this upcoming election will be announced in a very short span of time. The reason is because we have few more names with us, but we are doing a little bit of a ground survey and to evaluate the strength of those candidates in those constituencies, and which needs a bit of inputs from those constituencies, and our party leaders are doing that exercise. So hopefully very soon we will be